It's Friday, the 7th of July. Oh, busy today. And the Stephen West Mystery Sock Knit-Along started today, and we've got a table full of people trying to figure out this crazy sock. It's actually quite stunning, but anyway, not for this one. Made one pair of socks in my life. I did 2 at a time, thank goodness. Had it all on the needles. Took me 5 years to get it off the needles. I have them, I wear them. That's lovely. That's enough. I think the world is divided into sock knitters and not so much sock knitters. So I'm a not so much sock knitter. Oh well, that's my story and I'm sticking to it. When Chrissy and I were in Chicago and on the yarn market buying trip, we came across this new book, and I haven't bought books in a long time. And let me just see when it was printed. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. But it is stunning. It's big, and it is Knitting the National Parks. And it's 63 easy-to-follow designs for beautiful beanies inspired by the U.S. national parks. So this is the book. It's quite thick, as you can see. It's $35. But how much fun to knit a beanie for every park. And then when you go to that park and you do that national park thing, you can wear a beanie that matches the park. What a good idea. Anyway, it's a beautiful book, all very gorgeous, obviously, and you see the inspirations for the different hats. So I have 5 copies, would make a great gift. So there you go, Knitting the National Parks in Beanies. Love it. All right, got lots of other things coming in. I have a new yarn to show you maybe next week. New kits, new. Stuff's happening. Oh, and we added a lot more, several more yarns to the markdown table. So check it out. New yarns, several new yarns, lots of new yarns actually. So don't miss it. Come and see. All right. I will probably see you tomorrow. Have a great night.